Navigating the world of TikTok can be both exhilarating and perplexing, especially when it comes to understanding the platform's features. One question that often arises is, why can't I turn on profile views? The answer can be rooted in various factors, primarily revolving around privacy settings and account types. Firstly, TikTok has built-in privacy measures designed to protect users. If your account is set to private, you won't have access to the profile view feature. This setting is meant to ensure that only your followers can see your content and engage with your profile, which can limit visibility but enhances control over who interacts with you. If you want to enable profile views, consider switching to a public account, allowing you to connect with a broader audience while also unlocking certain features. Another aspect to consider is the type of account you have. TikTok offers personal, creator, and business accounts, each with distinct functionalities. Profile views may not be available for all account types, particularly if you have a business account. In this case, switching to a creator account could provide you with additional features, including the ability to see who has viewed your profile. Additionally, it's worth noting that TikTok frequently updates its features and policies. Sometimes, a temporary glitch or a recent change might affect your ability to access profile views. Keeping your app updated and regularly checking TikTok's official announcements can help you stay informed about any new developments. Ultimately, if you find yourself unable to turn on profile views, reflect on your account settings and type. Adjusting these can open up new avenues for engagement and connection, enhancing your TikTok experience. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.